features. Okay.
Okay.
So like example, so if you mark identify this blue color structure, what is this?
Gravilla.
Yeah. So where it is present? In between supraciliary arch. And then, so what is this? Bone.
عندك الشريان الدبرو.
Yeah.
First like a chap.
Yeah, first leg. So what is this? Bone. Okay? Temporal bone or temporal side. So name general features. So what are the general features? Yes. You can write superficial temporal line, inferior temporal line,
Superior and inferior.
external occipital protuberance,
Mastoid.
zygomatic bone of the temporal bone.
Yes.
All
Mastoid.
so these are general features.
Okay.
Say like same like if we mark. So if sometimes you will keep this. Okay. If it is only this, or we will mark here. So what is this bone?
Occipital.
Yeah. So name general features.
Okay.
So what are the general
Okay, now.
features? External occipital protuberance,
Protuberance.
higher nuchal line, inferior nuchal line, middle nuchal line, like so. All these are some general features. So norma verticalis. So identify the bone.
Okay. Parietal, occipital, frontal.
No. So what is this?
Skull.
So okay. So norma verticalis.
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 Okay.
So then name the bones
Mm.
or name the sutures. Okay?
Okay.
You got how the questions will come.
Yes.
Okay? Like that. In norma.
It's a short notes.
No, no, in the OSPI exam, practical.
Oh, okay. It will be mid-term exam or final?
Yeah, mid.
Okay.
And then norma occipitalis. So the what is this? Identify the bone. I told. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here, so what all you can write? General features. So what are the general features of occipital bone? So all these. Highest nuchal line, then inferior nuchal line, mastoid foramen. Okay. So all these are general features. Like next. So facial bone. Like okay. So what is this bone?
Temporal.
Temporal bone. So you can write temporal bone. You can write anything.
Okay.
So temporal lines and then external auditory meatus,
Zygomatic arch.
zygomatic arch. All these points comes in temporal
Bone.
bone. Okay. Now you go.
Yes.
So we'll keep this. Identify the bones or sutures or occipital bone, general features, and then temporal bone, the general features. Okay. And any other same like. So whatever the bones we will keep. So in like example this bone. So what is this?
Maxilla.
So this is maxillary bone. So what are the
Feature.
name the sinus?
Maxillary
Like-
sinus.
Yeah, what are the sinuses are there in this bone?
Okay.
Like. And then like we'll keep only mandible.
Okay.
So what all we can ask in the mandible?
foramen and part of mandible,
We can
body
ask
and
what are the
premise.
parts of the mandible. So what are the parts of
Body.
body of the mandible?
Premise.
So what are the muscles attached to the mandible? And then what are the features of
Of
inner
inner side.
surface of the mandible?
My hyoid.
Okay. And then we'll pin like this. We'll pin this way.
الا تعرف تفرج بس.
So we will point this. So what is this foramen?
يلا
Yeah. So what structure passes
اعطوه فرصه.
through this? Okay.
اوكي.
Like this.
Internet, right?
Yeah. And then, so these are about this.
Okay.
And then come to this side.
يلا شباب يلا يلا.
So here, in this, if we pin like this, so what you will write? What is your answer?
لا لا اكسبته لا فرنت اكسبته سكالب سكالب
Yes.
سكالب
So your answer should be scalp.
رحنا
Okay.
اوكي
So in the scalp, what all we can ask? Layers of the scalp, nerve supply, that is anterior half and posterior half, and then lymphatic drainage also we can ask. Okay, like this.
بارت اوف سكالب
Bring the picture.
حوله فوق
كيف بس؟
سوى هذا كذا طلع ايوه
نجيب حاجات. Okay. So what is? So we can ask lymphatic drainage. Okay. Lymphatic drainage of anterior or posterior part, or blood supply, scalp, and then nerve supply, that is the anterior nerve supply and posterior nerve supply, and then here. So what is the thing, common thing here? What is motor? Motor is auriculotemporal nerve, facial, and here the temporal branch of facial nerve. So here you have to remember the sensory and motor
Only.
for both.
Yeah.
For both the anterior half and the posterior half, you have to mention the sensory nerve supply and
Motor.
nerve
for
supply.
sensory one motor
Yeah, whatever it is. So depend upon the question. Yeah. If we ask only motor, you write only motor nerve. So if we ask sensory, write only sensory. So if you ask both, you have to write both motor and sensory. Or sometimes we will ask only anterior nerve supply of skull. Both, anything. Because in that case, minimum three is compulsory. Okay. So if you ask only anterior nerve supply, so then what you will write?
anterior
You may write both
supra
sensory and motor.
okay
Okay. Like that.
عادي يعمل لك دايركت ميجاش
And then suppose if you put the muzzle,
اوكي
okay, so muzzle is not clear, so that if it is, we will keep the muzzle. So then what you will write? So sometimes we will keep it here, because so here what will happen? So there is no muzzle.
يس
Okay.
برونوسيس
So if we pin here, you write your answer should be skull. Okay.
اوكي
Okay. If the pin is somewhere here in the frontal side,
فرونتابل
so it is the muzzle. So identify the muzzle.
اوكي
Okay. Identify the structure, whatever it is. Okay. Okay. So now here there is one small confusion. So here arterial supply of the face. Okay. So what happened here in the arterial surface of the face? So facial artery. Okay. So facial, only these four are the branches of facial artery, not all these.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
inferior labia or superior labia
See.
Only this
See
four
here.
branches.
See here.
labia
One-
labia
See here. I will clear you. Name the arteries supplying. What are the arteries supplying the face?
Okay, only facial.
Facial artery, and then superficial temporal artery, and then supratrochlear artery, supraorbital artery, infraorbital artery, and mental artery.
So the branches above is not fast.
Wait.
Again, please, doctor.
So,
They're confused. Again, please.
arteries of the face. What are the arteries of the face? The main arteries are 6.
Only
Okay.
the main.
Only main arteries are 6.
Okay.
So what is that? Facial artery, superficial temporal artery, superior orbital artery, mental artery, and infraorbital and supraorbital arteries.
Okay.
Okay? And
So
then
these four.
name branches of facial artery.
Okay.
So branches of facial artery, how many? Only 4. If you write this, it is wrong.
Okay.
Okay?
It is not supplying the face. It is a branches of facial artery.
Okay, now.
So branches, arteries supplying the face, arteries of the face, there are 6.
Okay.
Okay?
The main
Main arteries. Only branches of facial artery,
is this four.
only 4. Okay? Now, so if this is the facial artery.
Okay.
Okay? If this is structure, we will put a knot,
Here.
or something we will put a knot, or we will take a pin. Okay?
Okay.
So if this is there, so what you have to write?
Facial artery.
That's wrong.
Identify the arteries. So then we will ask, name other arteries. Name, see, find out the question. Name arteries supplying the face.
Then put the 6.
Then write 6. Okay?
Okay.
Name branches of this artery. Branches of this artery means, so what is your answer? What is this artery?
Facial artery.
Facial artery and branches of facial artery.
Okay.
Okay?
Branches is just 4.
Branches only 4.
Okay. حق هذا 4 حق هذا.
Okay? So whenever you are here writing, read the question properly. Okay? Now.
إذنه كبيرة.
مرة. ما يخلق خلق الله. شوفوا
So, what is
هذا مسوي كل شيء كبير.
This
What is this?
مسد.
سنيته.
لا هذا مسد. بيترك gland.
so this is parotid gland.
Okay. Okay.
Parotid gland.
What's this, doctor?
So that is the artery. External carotid and internal carotid artery. Okay? So what is this? Parotid gland. And
Facial
then,
nerve here and divided.
yes. No. Nerve is here. So all these are the branches. So these are branch. So this is here. This is temporal branch.
هذا شو اسمه؟ لا هو شباب شوية.
ترانجل.
اللي اخذناها ستيرنوكلين وماستويد.
ايوه.
هذا حق تراينجل.
قلت شوف راسه.
تعلم يا شباب يا اخي.
Domro. Bye-bye.
لا هذا الوجه.
And here, okay, no response are clear. And then name the artery, name the nerve and branches. So what you have to write? Facial nerve and write these branches.
Temporal, zygomatic,
Maxillary,
maxillary, and
mandibular and
cervical.
cervical. Okay. Now, so now, which is our next lecture? Next is
دكتور how many lectures?
neck and face.
All 5.
yeah 6. So now
6
about the
midterm
yeah
until here.
No, 6. Tomorrow's lecture.
دكتور ميرسي كان طاح البيئة طلع لي
So now we will
اطلع عليه بس يا اخي.
come to the triangles of the neck.
والله
So
دكتور
what is
شوف كفي.
so what is this? So here this whole part is the neck.
اوكي.
Okay, this whole thing